So I had a company reach out to me, and what they've offered me for this review is a chute blocker that's a manual chute blocker that we can put on here and lower down to block the chute when we want, like when I'm making those turns, or raise it when I want to blow that out. I'm really excited about putting this on. Let me get it out and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so I've already opened the box up here, and let's see what we've got. We have a small parts box. We have a manual. We have the lift bar. We have an attachment. Okay guys, so here's my new Excite Your Life guard, chute guard, mounted on my old trusty X-Mark, and this was sent to me to give an honest review, and that's what I do. So here we go. This thing was not that difficult to install. You do have to remove the old chute. Let's flip around here. You do have to remove the old chute, and they give you spacers down here. They give you these spacers to raise it up high enough to get it over the other brackets. Seems to work out real well, and I was concerned if I could reach it easily from my driver's seat, and that's not a problem. How this operates, it has a spring, high tension spring override, so when you go over top dead center with it, I'll do that, it stays open and gives you a full chute. When you're going around the turns, hold the arm down, closes up. Overall, easy install. I had one issue from the factory, and that was this nut. This nut right here came in with no threads in it, so I had to go into the local hardware and get one. The problem is the local hardware did not have the nylon lock nut on it, so I had to use thread lock compound and lock it on, and I'm hoping that it stays tight and doesn't vibrate loose. So anyway, there's a review, and would I buy it? Sure. They sent me this one to do a review on, but compared to the price of the OEM chutes, I don't think you can lose with this. So hey, thanks for watching the video.